Hi everyone, in this video we will review IKEA Gömpyssling. The IKEA Gömpyssling is a battery-operated motion sensor light designed primarily for use inside cabinets, cupboards, closets, and other closed furniture spaces. It is sold in a package of 2 pieces and is intended to provide automatic illumination whenever a door is opened or movement is detected nearby. The light activates automatically when the built-in motion sensor detects movement and turns off on its own after 10 seconds of no detected movement, conserving battery life during periods of inactivity. The light is angled downward to direct illumination toward the interior of the furniture rather than outward, making it well suited for lighting the contents of shelves, drawers, and cupboards. The unit is small and lightweight, measuring 7 centimeters in diameter and 19 millimeters in both height and depth. Mounting is handled through an attached gel pad that adheres to most furniture surfaces without the need for screws or tools, making installation straightforward and removable without causing damage to the furniture surface. No cables are involved, keeping the setup clean and unobtrusive. The light source is a built-in LED with a luminous flux of 20 lumens and a warm white color temperature of 2700 Kelvin, creating a soft and comfortable light tone suited for indoor use. The estimated LED lifetime is 25,000 hours. The housing is made from ABS plastic with a minimum of 50% recycled content, and the mounting tape consists of acrylic polymer, PET plastic, and silicone rubber. Cleaning is straightforward and requires only a dry cloth. The Gömpyssling runs on 1A battery, which is not included in the package. A new and fully charged battery of that specification will last at least 5 months when the lamp is used for 5 minutes per day. Rechargeable batteries are sold separately. The product requires only 1 battery per unit, so 2 batteries are needed for the full pack of 2 lights. Several safety guidelines apply to battery use with this product. Batteries should be kept out of reach of children and animals at all times. Old and new batteries should not be mixed, nor should different brands or types be used together. Batteries should not be exposed to heat, fire, or liquids, and should not be deformed, damaged, dismantled, or short-circuited. Polarity marks must be observed during battery insertion. In the event of a leaking battery, skin or eye contact with the liquid should be avoided, and water rinsing followed by medical advice is recommended. If a battery is swallowed, immediate medical attention should be sought, as swallowing a battery can lead to severe injury or death. Used batteries should be handed in for recycling in accordance with local environmental regulations. Overall, the IKEA Gömpyssling is a practical, affordable, and easy-to-install motion sensor cabinet light that delivers automatic hands-free illumination in dark and closed spaces, making it a simple and effective solution for anyone looking to improve visibility inside wardrobes, cupboards, and closed storage furniture. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.